Hi, my name is Roman Nikolishin, and today we will talk about marketing research and how can you do it for free. I'm shooting one video per week about Facebook ads, about e-commerce and marketing, and in this video I will talk about marketing research tool that is absolutely free. I'm not just trying to persuade you to not to make like real marketing research, but if you want to check information about some market really quickly, you're making e-commerce business or you're just a businessman who like to invest in some product and sell it on different markets, it's really good to make the marketing research at the beginning. So there are a lot of tools that you can use, but my personal favorite is Facebook Audience Insight. It's an amazing tool, it's absolutely free, and today we'll dive not really deeply but into this tool to just cover the functionality of this thing. So you can just Google Facebook Audience Insights. You'll get a first result about this tool, and you can get into the page and you have to find all information about this thing. So in order to use this tool, you have to just launch your business manager account on Facebook, which is also free. And inside your business manager account, you will see this interface. So you have you have here the business tools, and inside the list of business tools you will find Audience Insight tool in the section of analysis and reports. So go to Audience Insight and you will get to this panel where you can choose to analyze all people on Facebook or people who connected to your page. Obviously, we would like to make the research about all people on Facebook, so we're choosing it. And by default, you have the United States chosen. So I think that it will be interesting to find some audience and analyze it. To have fun, let's go into United States market. It's already chosen. We can see this menu here, and I will describe you what are those tools here. So we have here the panel, which is separated by those tabs. So you can choose a location, which is United States right now by default. You can choose age and gender of people you would like to analyze and see how many of them are in a specific market. You can use interests, and this is what we are looking for to narrow our audience and find really targeted people who are we are looking for. You also can use connections if you have your page and you can see connected people to your page, but it's not relevant right now for this video. And you have an advanced panel, which is really cool, and you can choose the language, relationship status, education, work, market segments, are those people parents or not? What is even a politics data about those people? This is really relevant for United States. So if you're looking forward to analyze European market, it's useless. So also here is a cool thing, which is life events like away from family, new job, new relationships, recently moved, and upcoming birthdays. Upcoming birthdays is really cool because you can just offer some birthday presents and cool stuff that people can be interested in. But let's go to the specifics of this tool, and we will look for people who like dogs in the United States. For instance, you have the product for pet market, yeah, and you trying to narrow those leashes or other accessories for dogs in order to find the right audiences. So dogs are really different. I don't have dog, but still I do understand that they are different in forms, and you can't sell something which is made for Labrador to the person who have Corgi. Yeah, and let's go and dive deeper. We have United States, we got all genders, we have interests, which is Corgi. Let's find how many people are interested in Corgi. And I'm choosing Welsh Corgi, and I can see that there are 1.5 to 2 million people in the United States who are interested in this type of, in this breed. Yeah, mostly there are women, And we can see in this panel in the right side of the Facebook audience insight, when we're changing here in this panel data, we can see the results here in this data panel. So we can see here 4 main tabs for the corgi interest in the United States. We can see demographics, we can see page likes, we can see location of those people and activity. So let's go and check what does this mean. Demographics shows us what is the age of this market segment, and we can see that this is mostly women. And you can see in the percentage, are they married, engaged in relationships, or single? Also, we can see the type of education level, and we can see the main job titles for those people. So most of this is administrative services, sales, and healthcare. So in the next tab, page likes, you can find very interesting info about this audience. So you can see the top categories of content, which is really cool because you understand what those people like. And the audience is really addicted to dogs. There are animal rescue pages, BarkBox is something really related to dogs, I guess. iHouse dogs, Chewy. So this audience is really ready, I guess, to spend some money looking on those interests. And also you can see the actual pages there, yeah. So this is the content these people are looking for on Facebook. And also you can see locations, the top locations here. We won't cover right now this comparison things and percentages, but this number shows you the amount of those clients in the city. So we can see the biggest population of people who like corgi are in California. We also have Texas, Houston, and Harris County. Yeah, and we can narrow this audience even further. So let's go deeper and let's see information. Sorry, I'm really sorry. There is also the fourth tab, which is activity. And we can see that the audience is really active on ads. So those people clicking on average on 42 ads comparing to the general public on Facebook who are clicking on the Facebook ads for 19 times. So this is really good sign because we can see that these people are not afraid and that they don't hate ads. They use ads, they use those products that they see on ads and buy them. So let's go deeper and we choose only women. We can see that here is the numbers are a little bit lower because we're narrowing our audience. We also will use location, which is LA, because I would like to check Los Angeles. And here we are. And we can see that there are 15 to 20K people. This is very small audience. I wouldn't advise you to do ads on such a small audience. However, this is not the topic of today's video, and this is just for marketing tool that we're just talking right now about the tool that will help you to understand how big market is in a certain city. Yeah, and we can see that there are 15 to 20K women who love corgi in LA. And if you will check page likes, you will see that there are a little bit different interests than in general, yeah, and you can find some cool new pages that you can use for targeting. And in order to see more information, which is like narrowed, we can just delete Los Angeles location and use United States. United States. There is 1 to 1.5 million women who love corgis. We can go there and see how many of them have upcoming birthdays. So there are 25 to 30,000 women who have upcoming birthdays who love corgi. And it opens you a whole, I would say, new horizon for your imagination when you're creating ads. You can make some cakes in form of corgi. You can send some postcards with corgi on them saying happy birthday, or we have a special discount for you, make a present for your dog while you're having your birthday. So this is just up to you. It's limited by your fantasy and imagination. What is really beautiful about Facebook Audience Insight is that this tool doesn't limit you on a specific country or on a specific audience. For sure, there are some categories that you can't search, which are sexual or connected to pharmaceutical substances. However, you can use this tool in order to see how big is the market, how many people live on this market who are interested in your product. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions about e-commerce, about this specific tool or market research or other tools that we use in e-commerce, just write it down in the comment section below. And see you next week in the next video.